Hi everybody, it's Lisa from Next Gen Ministries with your quick tutorial on how to run an assisted administrative kiosk for Realm on a Sunday morning. The first place you'll start is at the Realm login page. You must be in Firefox to run this program. You'll type in the email address we use, which is myvpc@viennapress.org. And then you'll type in the password. The password for the volunteer login is 124, capital P, lowercase a, r, k, £. Next, you'll go into the administrative category, and you will select check-in from the left-hand side. Prior to launching this kiosk has to be made by an administrator. So for the purposes of this training, we're going to use the all-staff check-in kiosk. You come over to the tool and you click Launch Kiosk. You'll have some options here. If this is just a kiosk that people are going to use to sign themselves in, you should always do check-in mode only. This means people can't add themselves. But if this is a station where a volunteer or a staff member is helping people and we can add new people to the database, you want to click Assisted Check-in and Dashboard mode, and then launch your kiosk. So here we have the kiosk. So on a Sunday morning, if there's someone who is new to this class or new to the church, they need to come to the Assisted Check-in station. And the person at the check-in station will greet them warmly. Thank you, we're so excited you're here, we're glad. So give me your last name and we'll get started getting you into our system so we can print you out a name badge for today. And we'll start up here with their last name to check and see if they're actually already in our system. So we'll start with the Gibb family. And I'll ask, oh, are you Lisa and John Gibb? Excellent, we're so excited you're here. You can click on anyone in the family. Then it will say who is checking in. Now if Lisa's the mom, she's not checking in. So let's make sure her check is gone. But let's say Bill is coming to the event. So let's add Bill to this event. It will give you an option which programs do you want to add this person to. And right now we have the only program available is check-in. So we add him to check-in. If we wanted to just double check, especially in the nursery, if Bill's being added to this group, is this true Bill doesn't have any allergies we need to be aware of? Oh, he does have an allergy? Well, let's go change that. You can click on that edit button, go look at the allergies, and select the one that applies. And let's say Bill has a new nickname he likes to go by. You can also click on this far detail and change his preferred name to whatever he's choosing to go by now if he's decided to be a Will instead of a Bill. Then just save all of your changes. When you're done making edits to Bill, you click Close, and his box is checked, his circle is checked, and then you click Check in one person. Then you'll see, thank you, the labels have been sent to the printer. There are two labels because there'll be one label that Bill wears on his back, and there'll be one label that the parent keeps as their security claim check. Now let's say a family's come up to you, and it's the Brady family. Hello, we're so excited. Let me see if we can get you checked in today. Oh, I'm sorry. We don't have you in our system. Can I go ahead and check you in as a guest into our system today? So we would start with, what is one of the names of the parent? And let's say this fellow's name is Thomas Brady. Ah, Tom Brady. Nice to see you. Glad you're here. And his profile type is the adult. He is the dad. If you see a little red star, that means the information is required. For now, addresses are not required, but in the future we are going to require a phone and an email. So I'm going to skip address today so we can get them checked in a little faster. But I am going to ask them to give us a mobile phone so we can call them just in case their kid is having a struggle in the class. And can I have your email as well so we can follow up with you? tomfootball@gmail.com. Great. So this is Dad's information. So we want to quickly add one more person, which is the child that's actually coming to the event. So we'll do add a family member. As you can see, the last name is already in there. And the cursor is ready for me to write the first name of the child, which we'll call Cindy. So I've added Cindy, his daughter, and her profile type is child. If I had put in an address, it would have refilled. The mobile phone carries over from Tom to Cindy. Cindy's going to be required to put in a birthday because these are children we're checking in, so we want to know when they're born. And again, if she has any allergies, I would select them so that our child care providers know. And then I would click Add Guest. Now, of course, if they have 3 children, I would add each of the additional children by clicking on Add a Family Member. Now you can see there's Dad, Tom Brady, and there's his daughter, Cindy. We want to add Cindy to our event. She's coming to our check-in practice. I click Add. She's ready to go. I click Check in one person. And then thank you for checking in. 2 labels will come out of my printer. One that goes to Cindy on her back, and one that goes to the parent that Tom can use to claim Cindy at the end of Sunday school. That's it. That's a very simple process. Everyone who comes to class must either be checked in as a new add to the class or as a guest. And then once you're done with this kiosk, you can go ahead and just click out and be finished for the day. Thanks for watching.